Welcome to a new lecture. Today we will discuss about clauses. In this lecture we will cover intro of clauses and its kind. Let's start now. A clause is large group of words that has a subject and has a predicate and makes a complete sense. It may either a part of a sentence or a sentence within a sentence. The kinds of clauses are main clause, which is also known as independent clause. Second type is subordinate clause, which is also called dependent clause. Now we discuss the kinds of clauses in detail. First kind is independent clause. An independent clause consists of a subject and predicate and expresses a complete thought. Second kind is dependent clause. A subordinate or dependent clause has a subject and a predicate. It cannot stand alone as a sentence. It depends on an independent clause to complete its meaning. The main difference between independent and dependent clause is that the independent clause express complete thought and it can stand alone, while dependent clause express incomplete thought and it cannot stand alone, while they have subject and predicate in common. Dependent clause is further divided into noun, adjective, and adverb clause. Noun clause is used as a noun, or we can say that it can be a subject of a verb or direct or indirect object or predicate nominative or object of the preposition. While adjective clause modifies noun or pronoun, or we can say that it functions as an adjective, and adverb clause describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Here is an assignment for you. Identify the sentence whether it is dependent clause or independent clause and write D for dependent clause and I for independent clause.